Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. Sidebar, my birthday is September 23rd, 923 Libra gang, and all I want for my birthday is for you to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. We're almost at my Bday goal of 180,000 subscribers and we are only 300 subscribers away, so I'm pretty sure we'll get it by my birthday. But I just want to let y'all know now, if you have not already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Your girl is going to be 32 next Monday. So in today's video, I have my lovely client Alexis. She comes to me about once a year. She's been coming for several years now. She is such an amazing person, and she came in to get a silk press, a deep conditioning treatment for her scalp, as well as a haircut, and we decided to do some layers and some soft curls. So all you guys see me doing is going in after I already pressed her hair bone straight with my custom flat irons that you can purchase from CassandraOlivia.com. Please be sure, if you have not already, to visit www.CassandraOlivia.com and sign up for my mailing list, because I am going to be dropping a birthday sale. I have my membership where I teach classes online about social media, how to build your clientele, how to edit videos, how to make money online, all of that fun stuff, as well as I have an ebook on there as well. If you guys don't want to do the membership, which is monthly, 6 months or annually, you can also do the ebook, and all that information is there as well. I also will have my flat irons restocking on my birthday. So again, please be sure to sign up for my mailing list, because I will be sending out an exclusive discount code only to the people that are signed up via email, and it's going to be one code per email, meaning that if your homegirl signed up, y'all both can't use the code, so y'all gonna have to rock paper scissors figure out who's gonna get the discount. So just sign up so that way you don't have to do that. So with that being said, I'm just going in. You guys saw how Alexis' hair was shaped. I'm just going in with this silicone bib that I got off of Amazon. I like to use this now when I cut hair, just because it allows the client to see what I'm doing, as well as it gives me a clearer guideline, because a lot of their hair is really dark, and you guys know I have a black cape. So I'm just going in, I'm following the natural shape of her hair. It is in about a U shape. Once I did that, I did pull the hair out at a 90-degree angle, and then I went ahead and just finished shaping the cut. Once I was done that part, I did go in, I point cut it and layered her hair. She just wanted a few face framing layers, which is what we did. And then of course I did curl her with my T3 curling iron as well. Again, if you guys want to know the products I'm using, I always am sure to link them on my Amazon store, and I actually have a specific list called salon supplies and must-haves. It literally has everything I use, down to hair coloring products, natural hair products, shampoo, conditioner, brushes, blow dryers, curling irons. Literally everything I use is on that list, so I don't know why y'all don't check it out. So I'll be sure to link that down in the description, as well as how to contact and book with me. I am currently booked out until October, so I'm not booking until November. You guys know I'll be going on vacation for my anniversary. It'll be 10 years in October as well, on the 18th. So I'm going to be in DR with my man, okay? So I decided to get some of this video out because I am super behind on editing. Another sidebar, I've been going live a lot lately, so if you see that red button, be sure to subscribe or hop in a live. Just say hello, Cass. You know, you don't have to stay for long. Just make sure you communicate. We say hello, so that way I'm trying to get to know you guys, as well as let you guys know me on a more personal level as well. And I will say that going live has gained me almost 3,000 new subscribers, so I do want to say thank you guys. It took a lot for me to get out my comfort zone, but you guys have welcomed me with open arms. And even the trolls, we honestly have fun on there, just trolling back, because one thing about it, you can't talk to me crazy. You can talk to your mama crazy, but you can't talk to Cassandra Olivia crazy, because I ain't going for none of that, honey. You will be muted and escorted out, no argument. So I'm just gonna let this play out. It is Tuesday, I'm off today, so I'm actually about to get on a live stream immediately after this so I can watercolor a wig. If you guys are interested, I think I'm going to do a blue black, and that's that. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. Again, I'm just going in, cutting her layers. Anything that you guys want to know if I'm using, my heat protectant is the what did I use for her? I used the leaf and flower molecular oil. That's also on my Amazon store. I did shampoo her with 3 different shampoos. We did a moisturizing, a hydrating, and a stimulating, just because her scalp was a little irritated, so we just wanted to make sure that we combat any dandruff or any irritation on her scalp. So once we did that, of course, we did the steam treatment. I did blow dry her with my Paul Mitchell 427 paddle brush, as well as my Recipe Freak blow dryer. Once I was done that, I pressed her hair with my custom flat irons. You guys know I've been using my own flat irons for the past 5 years, and they are the truth. So once I was done pressing her, this is what you guys came in on, of me cutting her hair and then just curling her with my T3 iron. So I'm just gonna let this play out. I don't really have too much to say today, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of how I shape my clients, and also how I go in and add some nice face framing layers without taking too much of the length off. I only cut what's absolutely necessary, so that way we can have the longest healthy hair possible. I know some clients and some hairstylists like to cut their hair straight across, but that's just not my stilo, you feel me? So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also be sure to follow me on my Amazon, my LCK, what else? Instagram. Oh, also on my threads. I don't know how. My threads is almost at 10,000 followers. I'm like, let me get back on here. So yeah, be sure to check that out. I'm gonna let this video finish playing out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all are having a wonderful and productive week. Please feel free to drop any questions or comments down below. All you guys see me me doing here is just curling her hair up. Once I'm done curling her, I just put every curl in a pin. Once I was done, I took all the pins down, ran my fingers through, zhuzhed her hair, and then I finished her off with the Kenra soft setting spray. And that was pretty much it. Sidebar, the Kenra spray smells so nostalgic. It reminds me of like the 90s hair salon. It kind of reminds me of like the Fenty hair product line a little bit, because I know Kenra's been around first, but Kenra and Fenty both remind me of getting my hair done in the 90s. I don't know what they put in their products, but it smells so good and so soothing. And y'all know I hate certain scents. Like, I don't like anything that's too strong, too floral, but this spray is the truth. So again, be sure to check that out. I just showed you guys the curling iron again. Everything will be linked down below, and also my Amazon store. And again, I'm out of here. I don't have much to say. I'm just gonna curl her, zhuzh it, and that is literally it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.